When it comes to choosing a drone, knowing which one is right for you takes a bit of research. And if you're new to drones, jumping straight into the technical specifications of each drone can feel overwhelming without narrowing down your options first. In our experience, finding the drone that best suits your needs starts with understanding what type of content you're trying to capture. Hi, I'm Brittany from the Videopro marketing team, and today I'm in our warehouse at Eagle Farm. To help you choose your perfect drone, I've picked out 4 DJI models, and in this video we will compare a few key features that will directly impact how you capture content. Our hope is that by taking a simplified look at how the drones can be used, you'll be able to make a short list of models that might be relevant to you and the stories you want to tell. From here, you can explore the full details and find the drone that is exactly right for you. So let's take a look at our first option. This is the DJI Neo. As you can see, it's very small, and I can tell you firsthand that it's incredibly light, 135 grams to be precise. Due to its small size, this drone supports palm takeoff. To activate this, make sure you're in a windless environment, and then it's as simple as facing the drone towards you, and then pressing and holding the mode button.
Medium, direction track.
This drone features multiple intelligent shooting modes, including the one that we're about to use, so let's see it in action. With its small size comes a small battery, meaning that its maximum flight time is just 18 minutes. So I'd say that this drone is perfect for capturing those quick moments. To extend your fly time, you can always consider buying multiple batteries or a charging hub. 2 important things to note about the Neo is that it doesn't have obstacle avoidance, and the palm control isn't available in low light environments. So you really need to be shooting in wide open spaces where there are no potential obstructions, and make sure that you can always have a clear line of sight to the drone. Or you might want to consider the DJI Flip. Let's go check it out. The Flip is a recently released model, and as you can see, it's noticeably bigger than the Neo. It's also slightly heavier, weighing just under 249 grams. Just as we saw with the Neo, the DJI Flip also features propeller guards and also supports palm takeoff and multiple shooting modes. Unlike the Neo, the Flip has obstacle avoidance, but only forwards and downwards, so you still need to be quite careful about obstructions that may get in the way. 2 great features of the Flip are how it compactly folds away and its impressive 31-minute max flight time. This drone is compact and very capable of capturing outdoor adventures and everyday life. I imagine this would be great for use when solo traveling or for family adventures. Just remember that this drone is quite light and you should avoid flying it in windy conditions. If you're a content creator or just a passionate creative who wants powerful and dynamic image capabilities, more advanced features, and additional flight safety, the Mini 4 Pro might just be the right drone for you. Like the Flip, it weighs less than 249 grams and also folds down to be compact and easily portable. It has a similar battery life, either 34 or 45 minutes depending on the battery you choose. So what's different about this model then? Firstly, this drone folds out a little wider, so palm takeoff isn't an option, but it does feature omnidirectional obstacle sensing, which detects potential hazards from all angles and even has automatic braking. It also features Active Track 360, which is an advanced subject tracking feature that offers more intelligent and customizable tracking capabilities. Using the omnidirectional obstacle sensing, this feature can track a subject from any direction and smoothly orbit around it, enabling you to capture those breathtaking cinematic shots. This is just a snapshot of some of the more advanced features of this drone. The Mini 4 Pro really is a powerful mini drone that offers both portability, high-quality image capture, and advanced features. The last drone that we would suggest looking into is targeted more towards professionals. This is the Mavic 3 Pro. The first big difference when comparing the Mavic 3 Pro to these other models is that it's significantly bigger and heavier, weighing 958 grams. Now, this isn't necessarily a bad thing. The heavier weight means it handles a lot better in windy conditions, and it can also fly at speeds of up to 75 kilometers an hour. It has a powerful triple camera system that incorporates 3 sensors and lenses with different focal lengths, enabling you to capture and create cinematic masterpieces. The digital zoom capabilities and internal storage are also superior and definitely worth checking out. DJI have also just released the next model in the Mavic line, the Mavic 4 Pro. We're looking forward to testing out this model soon, and we'll be sure to let you know our thoughts. If you're a professional, I'd be pulling up the spec sheet on this drone and discovering its full capabilities and potential. I hope this video has given you a simplified look at some of the drones on offer today and helps you to shortlist one or two that might be suitable for you. If you're a new drone user, as part of your research, I would also head on over to the CASA website to understand the rules and regulations for drone use in Australia. Keep in mind that there are different procedures for recreational and business drone use. For more information on these 4 models and our full range of drones, please visit the Videopro website or get in touch online or at one of our experience centres in Newstead, Carindale and Helensvale. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.